channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sonia and today we are back with another outdoor cooking video. We are going to be making a dish called Kotlovina. It is something that comes from an area that my husband is from, and we've kind of just made our own little version of it, and I can't wait to share with you. It's absolutely delicious, great for hosting a gathering and just if you enjoy outdoor cooking. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients that we are going to be using. We've got some pork chops that we have seasoned with some salt, pepper, and vegeta. Vegeta is an ingredient, a seasoning that we use on a lot of our dishes. You will need some oil or some lard. This is a homemade lard. And then we have about 1 kilo of onion, just white onion. Then we have Hungarian paprika or Hungarian pepper, about 800 grams, and field tomatoes, about 800 grams as well. And then we have some sausage. This is garlic paprika sausage that we got at the market. And this one is a sausage that we make, which is supposed to be spicy, but it's not all that spicy. It doesn't have to be spicy. For the dish, we like to add a little bit of spice into our dishes. I'm going to show you what we cook it on. So here is, this is called the kotel, I think, and this is what we cook it on. Back home they use a lot of the people that cook on this type of thing actually cook it over the fire. They have a little thing. We cannot find one like that here in Canada, so we are improvising, and this is an actual fish fryer stand, but it fits this dish quite perfect. So we're gonna heat it up with some lard in here, and then we're gonna get started with cooking. Kotlovina is a traditional dish from Croatia, and it requires this special plate for cooking. And most of the time, the base that it sits on is actually a burner that you can even have wood, or it can be a wood burner. Ours is a gas. I forgot to mention, we are also going to cook some of these chicken legs as well. Drumsticks, I mean. So you want to cook your meat a little bit on the inside, and then because the plate gets so hot, it will continue to cook once you move it off to the side. And then once your meat is all browned on each side, pretty much, then you want to proceed by adding your veggies. So we're going to start with onion, and we're going to cook the onion until it completely softens up. And this will release some water as well. Oil in there. You can do vegetables in here that you want. You can do just potatoes. You can do potatoes and mushrooms. You can also add beans to this. Really, it is up to you. You can add wine if you'd like as well, white wine, and cook it all together. We did not add any wine, but like I said, the choice is yours. There's many different recipes that you can make this with. So again, you want all your veggies to cook down really well. And you want to add water as you see fit, just so veggies don't dry out and it doesn't stick, but they will be releasing a lot of liquid. And once the veggies are cooked and you have a soupy type of consistency, you want to add your meat to it and cook it. This takes about 3 hours to do. I've also forgotten to mention that you will need potatoes. I have white potatoes here. I think I forgot to mention. It's actually yellow potatoes, not white. And I have about 12 of them, and about an hour away from the dish being done. You want to prep them. I had peeled them, washed them, cut them, and I'm going to boil them with some salt and some vegeta. And then we're going to add that to the dish as well. You can also cook potatoes raw in the kotlovina. You can cut them in circles, or you can cut them in wedges. Due to the size restrictions of our plate, we did remove the meat once it was all done and added some sauce over top of it. And then we added our potatoes into our plate just to marry the flavors. These potatoes are cooked, so you don't have to worry about cooking them. And here it is, just the potatoes, meat, and a sausage. And I like to have mine with some beans and beet salad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.